Dauda Saka is set to join Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I confirm say Kumasi Asante Kotoko afreno, but Hasu Folk there, freno. Wakasa wedding komo ahead of an eminent move to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. This week Kumasi Asante Kotoko is set to announce new signings ahead of the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League season. You know, unim say Kotoko already 20 players every club. No, now Kotoko next game, you know, is against Accra House of Folk. The Democracy Cup ever so one crime Friday we now watch it. Menyanti say Kotoko she campaign as this Friday. Na Emmanuel Dauda Saka before captain. Me say Kaneno say na Kotoko top players who. Oko club we are ne captain the oyade senye ne captain ade oyade oko club we are ne captain the oyade oko club we are ne captain the oyade ne dia form Kotoko na player ba ko abeye clear pass or join Kotoko Dauda Saka before kwatano captain no unim kasa o say ono no Accra so fukum frɛ no Kotoko na afrɛ no na already obepese obebe Kotoko but still na 2 years contract 2 years contract no ohese Kotoko ne bofoakafo no ebeka na wa join ne Kotoko ne nsem no mame potom I say yes, as of now I've spoken with no one from House of Folk, but I've received calls from Asante Kotoko. Ose only has DB Ankasa, but only Kotoko for Akasa. Kotoko is a big club. Kotoko is a club, so I really love to play for them. Kotoko club, looking at the players board and the owner, it is clear that this is a great team. And if the deal is completed, I'll be grateful to God for providing me with such a big platform. I said, "Deal ni good through." Obekwa sorry akode nyankopon asepa but one can sorry but also obekwa akode nyankopon asepa. So however, I still have 2 years left on my contract. Wasi nanso ade ba akode say still now 2 years ewo bofo so Kotoko mbofo will need to come to agreement before I can join. Na or say is it the IND or say bofo akwa ene Kotoko ebe reach agreement na finally ekwemu adaho amana join ne Krobia Asante Kotoko na wabe piama Kotoko ewo midfield ho eno ne Dauda Saka ahead of the eminent move to Krobia Asante Kotoko and sema odi to no. Now Dauda Saka eminent Seto say eminent Mohammed Shaukan eminent or Accra Lions goalkeeper be a friend Benjamin Asare. She say the house for no MZ Accra or no omudi be a there no MZ almost wa join it into Kotoko goalkeeper no obehe elsewhere. Na me say number 3 be a Kotoko ka ho asem no details and more me pe confirmation no me nsa kan ya me de be bro e wo Super 24 TV so